Hello everyone! Today I will show you how you can tint your eyebrows at home. You will need a tint. I just bought this from Salis. This is brown dark because I like them dark, so you can choose whatever color you like, light brown or even black. If you have a black hair and you like dark eyebrows, you can choose whatever color you like. You need a eyelash tint developer. You need a container, one container, whatever you find at home, or you can buy one, like little one. A brush to apply the tint, and some cotton buds and some cotton pads. Firstly, you need to tint your eyebrows, and after you can plug them or wax them. Because if you will first wax your eyebrows and after you will tint it, it may irritate your skin because it will be sensitive after the waxing. So the best is firstly tint and after wax them or plug them. So you need to remove everything from your eyebrows first. Okay, and after we need to mix everything here. So we take a little bit. Let's see. I will show you now how much you need. Okay, something like this. And you need to mix the same amount of developer. You need to mix this well together. It should be like this. So after, with the brush, you take a bit of the tint and put on your eyebrows. Finish, we take the cotton bud and try to do the perfect line here, to take any residue that left. Okay. As we complete this eyebrow, we need to do the same with this one. You need to take your cotton wool, damp them with water, and just remove the tint. color. It seems good. And move the other one. You see, it seems very good. I like it. And we're done, and we're ready to go. Thank you very much. I hope you like my video, and see you soon.